Welcome guys, welcome to the channel True Jamaican Vibes Fire Read. So today I am in the beautiful parish, St. Elizabeth, the breadbasket in Jamaica. Yeah man, so me know one place them call name Success in a St. Elizabeth. A piece of property is selling around there. So right across from the Success subdivision development. So it's a 7-acre property, and this property is good for farming and also house development. And this is about 20 minutes drive to Black River Town area and also to Junction. So keep on watching the people. Big up yourself anywhere I watch from. Yeah, and brother. Yeah man, may I talk to you. Big up yourself anywhere I watch from. Big up all the time. One love or one heart. Big up yourself. So yeah man, this is the sign. See the sign here? Success subdivision. So remember, right across from the Success subdivision, there's a nice 7-acre property for sale. So they can check it out. Yeah man, so this is the Success area. So keep on watching. So I'm walking right across from the Success subdivision in the St. Elizabeth area. So you see it up on the main road. This is the main road which can take you all from Mountainside, is a small town area, also to Watchwell, Newell, Crossroad, also to Cheddar Beach Junction. Yeah man, so we're taking you at the property area right alongside the main road, the property. So if you love farming and you want to build a housing development, this is the property for you. So you can check it out. Give the people them a call. For sale, 7 acres, ideal for farming and development. The number is 876-877-7501. Yeah man, so this is one side of the property. Yeah man, it's a 7 acres and also a whole heap of property. So I can't get a true reading right now, but at least you have an understanding where to find this property. Very, very nice property. Yeah man, right along the main road. As we say, the main road can take you to Wall, Cheddar Beach, Junction, also to Black River, Santa Cruz. So when you're in this area, you can get a nice view up in the Monroe area. Very, very nice view. Right on the main road, guys. So we can give the number a call, free of cost. Just know the place and know the area. So this is from one side. You see where the sign is? I'm gonna walk straight alongside, and where I stop, that's gonna be the front section of the property. you will not see the true reflection of this property. You have to come and spot for see what go on. 7 acres of property and that's something normal. So way up on the hillside, up in the Monroe area. So they see them windmill. Yeah man, some windmill that is way up in the Monroe area. Success is also a very nice area. Farming area, farm a lot of pumpkin and corn. So check out the property. So remember to share the video free of cost. A lot of people want property out there to buy in the St. Elizabeth area. So share the video and thank you all for stopping by on the channel. Your true Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so peace and out. One love, one heart, my people. Blessings.